وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ. Allah has not put on you anything, any impediment, any obstacle, any hardship by way of deen. The next sentence explains it. Millata abikum Ibrahim. This is the way, this is the deen, this is the millah of your own father Ibrahim. Now these words are primarily addressed to whom? Those of the Arabs who were the progeny of Ismail alayhi salatu wassalam. Ismail was son of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. So it is being said to those people, it's nothing new for you. It's only a renewal of your deen, your millah. وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ مِلَّةَ أَبِيكُمْ Ibrahim, your own thing. Only you have corrupted it, only you have disrupted it, only you have changed it. The original, reverting to the original. And finishing with the additions that you have made wrong additions. The basic is that Millata Abikum Ibrahim, your own father Ibrahim. His way, his methods, his deen, his religion, that is actually being presented to you. You know, if some people are called to believe in someone who belongs to some other nation, there is, you know, maybe some hesitation. But for the Arabs, their own father Ibrahim, for Arabs, Kaaba was a national monument also, please note. It was a national monument for them. During Jahiliyyah, they were circumventing again, you know, they are making tawaf round because it was their national monument. So for you, it's so easy. For others, it might be somewhat, you know, some strange thing to accept. They might have to sacrifice some of their racial creeds to accept Islam. But for you, O Arab, O progeny of Ismail, there's no difficulty. It's just the reversal, going back to your original thought, your original deen, your original ways and means and methods. Millata abikum Ibrahim. So primarily the Arabs, especially those Arabs, all Arabs were not the progeny of Ismail. But those Arabs, especially Quraysh, who were the first addressees of Quran and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ. No difficulty, no strangeness, no impediment for you in the way of accepting this deen, this call. هُوَ اجْتَبَاكُمْ وَمَا جَعَلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الدِّينِ مِنْ حَرَجٍ مِلَّةَ أَبِيكُمْ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. Secondarily, all those people and nations who hold Ibrahim in esteem, they are also the addressees of this ayah, these words. All the Jews, all the Christians. And you might be knowing that half of the world population, they hold Ibrahim in high esteem. The Jews, although they are very small in number, they might be controlling the world economy. But regarding numbers, it's very small. But Christians, they are more than 1.5 billion. Rather 1.75 billion. And if you add up the Christians, the Muslims, the Jews, the number is 3 billion. And just the half of the total world population. Now if you hold Ibrahim in high esteem, there should be no difficulty for you to accept his ways. Millata abikum Ibrahim. And he is like father to you. If not actual father, if you Maybe you are not the progeny of Ibrahim, but when you hold him in high esteem, he is like a father to all of you.